Bifold doors have numerous configurations. Panels can fold in either direction or meet in the middle. This short video will show you how to operate a 3-panel Bradnam's bifold door folding in one direction. The instructions will apply to most bifold doors. Standing on the inside, unlock and open the access panel if your door has one. Use the cabin hook to secure it. To disengage the first 2 panels, rotate the twin bolt lever to the horizontal position. You will need to unlock them first if they are key lockable. Use the handle to push the 2 panels forward, taking care to avoid getting your fingers caught between them. Then gently push the second panel onto the third panel to fully open them. If your bifold door has more than 3 panels, repeat steps 2 and 3 to open the remaining panels. Follow the previous steps in reverse order to close the bifold door. Ensure you use the handle to pull the panels to the closed position before activating the twin bolt lever. You now know how to operate a Bradnam's bifold door correctly.